I am getting ready for a Halloween wedding. The theme, it is black, white, and red. Red heels, smoky eye, red lips. So today's title of this video is gonna be, let's talk about how to own a theme look without losing your elegance. That's very, very important because sometimes makeup looks can go, especially for Halloween, can get too much, too crazy. And I feel as you go older, you want to celebrate Halloween, but you don't want to fit in with the rest of the kids that it's not you anymore. In any case, this is a smoky eye that I'm preparing. I just started with my eyes. I do very minimal on the rest of my face because sometimes there's all of that fall from the shadow. Alright, so I'm using this very cheap Amazon eyeshadow palette that I got. It's only like 30 bucks or something. So it is not the best eyeshadow quality in the world, but it works. So if you are money tight, this actually is not a bad deal. Blender brushes are so crucial. It can take care of the mistakes so easily. When you apply makeup, blending is your best friend. Always learn how to blend. And you go back and forth and you go in circular motions. Don't be afraid of color. If you put too much, it's okay. We can always clean it up afterward. Anything with sparkle makes everything much more glamorous. So I applied a black eyeshadow all over my eyelid, including the crease. And now I'm adding a sparkle light gray in the inner corner and spreading back, kind of go halfway. Now, if you're watching this video, it's because you are not too much into the TikToks and content that is so fast moving. And I have TikTok and I'm learning still how to really get used to that, honestly. And it is a great platform and it's so much fun, but it's too fast. I just don't know. I miss slow content. I feel that I cannot connect with my favorite creators anymore like the way I used to. Everything is go, 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 fast, 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 next. And it's like, how can you build a community like that? This is just my humble opinion. In here, since I'm working with so much darkness, obviously things get a little messy, and that's okay. Again, that's why I suggested to not apply a lot of your concealer before you do your eyeshadow, because you're gonna waste it and then you're gonna go back and clean it up. A trick that some stores would not tell you because they want that you spend more money buying concealer, so they don't tell you that trick, right? So be smart, don't waste money, do your eyes first, and then at the end you can clean it up, do your foundation, do whatever you gotta do for the rest of the face. Also, what I like to do with my eyeliner, I like to do it on the waterline above my eyes. So I do top and bottom, okay? For my gay guys out there, it's not the top and bottom that you are thinking of. Are you a top or a bottom? Talking about that today, you guys. My girls will be like, what the hell are you talking about, Georgie? Having the right brushes will make your life so much easier. Better for application and precision. So a flat head brush, it is very, very good to use when you're doing smoky eyes, because you can drag that eyeliner all over with the brush. Highly recommend something like this. I like to do waterproof always because I have contacts and my eyes water always like crazy. You know what? I'm gonna do this elf one. I got this in the my new TikTok shop and I need to do a review about that. And I'm loving it. It is literally like liquid foundation, like very like, I don't even know how to describe it. It is very liquidy. They call it halo tint or something, and it is a dream. So easy. It doesn't have a lot of coverage, but it gives you like a nice glow. I'm really liking it. I am. For my guys that they don't want to use a lot of foundation to look heavy or noticeable, it's just like a serum foundation. One technique that I always like to do is setting spray in between applications. Doing this at the end, much better technique. Take your corrector or concealer from this corner to this corner and like down in here, and just a tad at the end for a lift. I love blushes that they are creamy because they're so easy to blend. I like to apply blush under my eyes all over, and you're gonna be like, what? Are you kidding me? Yes, I do. And that's gonna be for another class. I'm gonna go into detail about that. You're gonna see what I'm gonna do after. So after I do the first layer of blush that I do under my eye and all over my cheek area, you're gonna be like, what the hell is he doing? Now I'm gonna do with a lighter concealer, different from the one I did prior, and I'm gonna go over it. Now this layer is very thin, very light, and this concealer is very liquidy. Now I'm going to set the makeup with a little translucent powder. I'm using today Laura Mercier. I've been using this for a number of years, and I really enjoy it. A little bronzer to contour my nose and my jaw. Boom, boom. I really pronounce second chin, but if you do contouring under here, it is not for discussion. You gotta do it. It creates more definition. Don't forget your 3s. I always talk about this technique. 3, 3. A little bit more quick blush. This is the only manly product that I have in here, just for men. The rest is just makeup. We are gonna change that because guys absolutely need to apply makeup. Come on, get with the times, you guys. Hello. You say he's already home.
What?
I'm filming.
You're filming?
Mm-hmm. Always set your makeup and I'm ready to party. Mwah. Have an amazing day and I will see you on my next video. Happy Halloween.